Hi children. First, I will show you a simple friendship band. Children, you have your old drawing copies or books, isn't it? So you can make it, you can cut. See, I have cut it from the drawing book page, one side. Here, this is butterfly with the flower. I can paste it like this way. These are children, these are all waste materials. Nothing but not so expensive. You can get it from your home. You can arrange from home the rest part of the copy or book that I manage from the drawing book, last year's drawing book, one side. So I'm pasting this flower. Yes, you have to make a flower that I will show you, and a butterfly, and this simple sellotape you have to buy. Other things you are not supposed to buy. You can get from your home. Now almost this part is ready, the band is ready. Now this side, how can I cover? I can write something with the, today I'm showing you what are the things I am carrying. Only I am doing with the sketch pen. This is a sketch pen walk. Okay, so only I am doing with the sketch pen. So let's start. One black color, blue and black, or orange or green, any color you can arrange. These are all my sketch pens. So here I will write something as written, so I can paste a simple paper on it. And write Happy Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day. Why? This is actually the work I'm doing. This is actually a creative work. How I am writing, I am showing you. Happy Friendship Day. So my writing is completed. Now I can make it a band. This is almost ready. I have written, see, Happy Friendship Day. Okay, now I can make it like a band. See, it's the most easiest thing. Now see, Happy Friendship Day. So my friendship band is ready. You can gift it. You can make a gift. You can give it to your friends, because a friend in need, a friend indeed. You know me, children. So my friendship band is ready. See. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you have any good idea, please come and share with me. We will work together and surely we will invent some other creative part. So let's begin the new day. Thank you.